On this episode, we are going to show you what this is, which I think you already know, but where am I going to put it on this edition of Tesla Tips and Trips? All right, so I frequently see on the Tesla Facebook groups that this is useless. What in the world do you use the Frunk for? I would never use it. I used it once in the last year. These are some of the quotes I've seen on Facebook. When you're going on a road trip, which is the trips part of this channel, which, you know, that's why I'm doing stuff here, I pack this full. And it depends on the trip that I'm taking as to what I put in here. So if we're going on a winter trip and we've got all kinds of winter gear, snow suits and boots and stuff, that's going in here. But we're going on a somewhat fall-summer trip, and we're going to put a cooler in here so we can keep our food good and nice and cold. And we're going to a hotel that's going to have a full kitchen, so we're going to bring some of those things along that we can use later on and throw them in the refrigerator. So to get from this place, our house, to the hotel, we want to make sure they stay cool. This cooler fits perfectly in a Model 3 Frunk. And this is a 2019 Model 3 SR Plus, in case you're wondering. So I will have the link down in the description. We're not making any money on this. We don't have any referral codes or anything like that just yet. But this is the cooler that I've been using on a bunch of trips. It's the Coleman Party Stacker. And as you can see, you can stack a bunch of them here. It holds 24 cans, but it holds a lot of stuff. It looks tiny, it looks compact. Here is the best tip of the tip within a tip, if that makes sense. I'll also put these down in the description. These are ice packs, super, super thin, really good for this particular application. And what we do is we sandwich inside the cooler all of our stuff. So we'll put one on the bottom, we'll put one on the top, and we'll pack all the stuff in between, and it stays real cool between the cooler itself and these ice packs. Okay, so the moment you've all been waiting for. How does it fit? How does it look? What kind of space does it take up? Let me show you. Top on. Cooler fits absolutely perfect right in the Frunk. Now you've got all this leftover space. What do you do with that, right? Hang on a second. We'll put another cooler. So we've got two coolers in here now, packed full of stuff. And we can still have a little bit of other things. We can put cans that don't need to be cooled or whatever throughout here, maybe a jacket or two. Same thing with here on the top. There's still plenty of space for other stuff, but our cooler fits perfectly with the secret weapon, the sandwich ice packs. So cool. Literally. Does it close? Let's find out. Boom. Not a problem. There you go. On the next part of the video, I'm going to show you what it looks like, completely packed, completely full. All right, here we got it packed to the gills. Well, actually, there's a little room there. I'm gonna have to talk to my wife about that. There's some space right here. At any rate, here's what it looks like all packed with the ice packs in place, ready to go for our road trip. Frunk is absolutely something you can use. And real quick, some bonus coverage. Here's what our trunk looks like, ready for a road trip.